Hello and welcome. This is Roy. This time I'm sharing with you two brief clips taken from 73 minutes video that I've just finished to record for my subscribers. The clips focus on the forex market, but I see some great setups for trading this week, not just in forex. You will see me introducing the various markets that I cover. I am pretty convinced that you will receive very good return on your money if you try out my service. Should you take just one of the setups that I discuss in this video, you could be paying with PayPal if you wish. I'll be providing more information after the clips end, so if you're interested, please stay on. Other than that, I wish you have pleasant viewing and have good trading. Bye now. Hello and welcome. This is Roy. I think the next 2-3 weeks are going to be very exciting and very profitable. That is, if you are positioned on the right side of the market. I have prepared many charts in this video, and I'll be looking at them in great details. I think I have some great opportunities here for you. And here's the list. I've got the dollar index, the euro US dollar, British pound US dollar, the euro British pound, US dollar Japanese yen, euro Japanese yen, Australian dollar US dollar, Australian dollar Japanese yen, US dollar Canadian dollar, the euro Singapore dollar, and then Brent crude, heating oil, gold, silver, high grade copper, the euro bond, that's the September contract, and then I'll have a look also at the continuous chart. I'll have a look at the UST bond continuous chart. I'll have a look at the TYX, the S&P 500, the Nasdaq, the EU Stocks 50, the DAX, IBEX 35 of Spain, and I'll terminate the look with the video with a look at Russia's RTS index. Okay, that's the Australian dollar Japanese yen. Very interesting situation here. This is going back, that's a monthly scale going back to 1991. I think that we had a giant ABC here. And I think that there is a case for a possible argument that descent that began from here is not over. I mean that what we have seen up to now is the 1, 2, 3, and that's a fourth wave. Yes, I think that there is a genuine case for this argument because first of all, it is respected technically, and if you say, hey, don't you think this is out of proportion to what happened here? I would say yes, it does look quite lengthy in terms of a fourth wave, but it's not, how can I say it, these things do happen. Fourth wave often takes a very long time in comparison to the 1, 2, and in this case the shape of the price action here together with the resistance we are seeing put on the price action here through this line and the MACD performance, I think all in all I'm putting forward the interpretation of a 1, 2, 3, 4, and I think that it does have merit, and it will become of course extremely interesting once it breaks through this level. That will open the gate for a slide towards 55, test the bottom, and then a massive rally calling for generational bottom in the yen. Top in the yen against the Australian dollar, and the Australian dollar will recover ground and start running up for years, if not for decades. Let's have a look now at the weekly, and you can see I'm getting the idea of the triangle simply from the price action that is being displayed here. That's an A, B, C, D. We are potentially in the E, and the E might take quite a bit of time. Might take another 2-3 months to finish. I don't know. Let me show you the daily. I think that's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's an A. That could be a C complete. Could be a C complete. It's not a high confidence reading, but could be complete in the sense of this being 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think breaking through the brown line here is an exciting event. It's an interesting situation, and of course breaking through that might suggest that that is all what we're going to get as an E. Some of you might suggest that in fact we have seen the top here. There was different combination. We have seen the top here, and that's the beginning of the slide. If that's the case, then indeed it will come and break through 75 pretty quickly. This is a forex bet that at this point in time I wouldn't get involved. I wouldn't do anything. But it can become very, very interesting and very profitable once you go into a major slide. Look at that. That was a huge slide. Look what it can achieve. And I think that if we get a solid break under this level, and that will be your first alarm under 75, this could become really a fast market. Could be very profitable. Okay, this is the Euro Singapore dollar monthly scale. Another great opportunity here. I think that this market is screaming that it wants to go down and it wants to go there. It wants to go under 140. First of all, look at the MACD. That's the monthly scale. Full support, looking straight down. And in fact, the gap here is expanding. Do you see the gap here is expanding? The wave count is not high confidence, but I think it serves the purpose for now. That appears to me as a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4. We're coming down. We're coming down. There's huge pressure here. There's excellent channel here. That's the end of the fourth wave. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 3 might have ended here in red, or it's ending coming close to an end now, but you can see that from the structure here, whichever way you subdivide it, there is at least another huge leg on this scale. This is incredible. All of that after the correction of the fourth wave, but we don't even know that the third wave in brown ended. So the immediate term is still looking down. Take a look at the 60 minutes here. I would say any rebound here over 2-3 days that looks corrective is an invitation to sell short. Yes, with high confidence. I would go as far as saying that. I think it is unlikely to climb above 158.50 short term. You may want to take a small position already. It's totally up to you. You see what is right in your particular situation. But I do not think, and I don't expect any climb above this level short term. At most, maybe something like that, then continuing lower. That's the Euro Singapore dollar. Hello again. I'll be running through here, presenting you with some of the features of my website, and I do have a page on Twitter. You're welcome to join. I don't make intensive use of it, but it's a way of keeping in touch. It doesn't cost anything. It's free. I have written a few articles. You may like to take a look at them. I have here a testimonial from an active trader who's using my website right here on the front page. There are a few tabs here on the side that if you like, I threw in some of their philosophy and the motives behind setting up this website. I have here a section, what subscribers say, speaks for itself. I have an affiliate program. You don't have to be subscribed to join. If you're interested to get in touch with me, links to sample clips, that takes you to past clips. I often try to update it every weekend. Gives you a sample of things that I've done in the past and in the recent past as well. And R.N. Elliott, that gives you access to a book, very, very interesting book if you are about practice and about getting things going deeper into learning about the Elliott waves principle. Go there and you will see a link to how to download a full-length book that I really recommend you read. Private policy terms of use, very standard. Why join? I spell out some of the arguments that I think can clarify how I can help, who I can help, etc. Subscribe here. I'll just go through this quickly. I basically have 3 options that you can choose from. The full product that is very intensive, directed at people who are using and following the markets every day, costs €79 only for a month. I record every day, also on the weekend. My videos are very detailed, they're very helpful, really following all the markets, the major markets, and I can even follow markets that are of interest to you. If I have time, I will add them. I can't promise I'll do that on a daily basis, but I will definitely take a look if there is a specific market or situation that is of interest to you. Other than that, there is the option of the weekend video. Weekend video cost from 25. You can see it's available. The weekend videos are available from 25 per month. If you pay up front, it costs 25. I mean, pay up front for 6 months or so, it will cost you only 25. If you pay per month, it's 29. And that is really covering only the weekend videos. Yeah, it is aimed at people who do not have time to watch, intensively the market during the week, but nevertheless would like to have a comprehensive view of what happened and what is likely to happen. And I do cover the markets. I do a comprehensive video every weekend that gives a very good preparation for the coming week. And apart from that, of course, I've got the trial. Yes, as advertised on the front page. We'll see it again in a minute. You can just try out the service for $9.99. That gives you access to the daily videos, but just for 1 week. Okay, so you get access. You see 7 videos. You can check the archive. I normally leave about 1 month worth of videos on the archive, so you can check out the kind of things that I did in the past. You can pay for the service with PayPal. It's pretty straightforward. You go on the create account. I'll show you in a sec. If you have an account with PayPal, that should be no problem. I had an account with AlertPay. I still have it. If you happen to have an account with AlertPay, they actually changed their name, and I didn't have time to reflect it here. I think it's called Payza now. You can go ahead and try to pay with that. If that causes you any problem, if you have a problem, maybe the plugin needs a modification, just get in touch with me. Other than that, I also have Money Bookers. If you have an account with Money Bookers, I would welcome you paying through Money Bookers. That should also not be a problem. If you don't have an account, it's also a good option. It gives access to a lot of, to people from a lot of countries. Also, Payza, AlertPay used to be AlertPay, yes. Payza now extended its coverage. It is accessing many countries. So that's something for you to consider. Let's go back to the home page. And I'll just continue to run down through here. We've got Contact Us, speaks for itself. Tell a friend. Why don't you give me a helping hand if you like my service? I mean, if you like the videos, the clips, why don't you spread the word? Give me a hand. Downloads. That's where you can download charts that I put in the public area, and you can download as many as you want. That will give you an idea how detailed my work is and what sort of which way we are going with my chart. Recommended reading list, highly recommended. Really take a look. There are some links there to books that you can download, and I think you will find quite good stuff here. Frequently asked questions. Make sure you read this before you subscribe, because that will explain to you how to find the videos once you create an account, how to log in, etc. And then useful links, speaks for itself. Blank page, inconsequential, and that's where you open the account. You see, you just right here, create an account. In fact, that's the login. Once you get your login details, here it comes up with the sign up. You've got your Elliott Wave Practitioner. That's the weekend edition. You can have 6 months. Elliott Wave Practitioner Weekend Edition. That's a yearly subscription. And then Elliott Wave Practitioner Weekend Edition paid monthly. Okay, you make your choice. The prices are indicated here. Then Elliott Wave Practitioner, that's per month. Yes, every month. And that is the trial. You are allowed to take it once. It is not something you're going to take on and off all the time. You just take it once. You sample, you see, try it out. You like it, don't like it, whatever. PayPal, Money Bookers, AlertPay. Choose which one suits you, and the rest is pretty straightforward. You go through that. You wait for you wait for the email from my system. You make sure you follow the instructions. I jump back to the page here to subscribe here, because there are a few email addresses that you are advised to look. This, for example, go through that. You need to whitelist that. Yes, you don't want to wait for my email from the system and it gets stuck in your junk mail, or it disappears, or because you didn't whitelist these addresses, you won't find it, and then you start with the left foot. So you whitelist these 2 addresses, you'll be on the right track. You get the email for my system, you verify your email address like this, you are sure you join my list, and that's how I keep in touch with you. Whenever I record a new video, I send you the link and I tell you I've just posted it, etc. Look, if you have any question on your mind, whatever, don't hesitate to contact me. I'm here to help. I'm pretty sure my service can help you immensely to make a lot of progress, no matter which level you are. I've been doing it for many years, and I've seen a lot of things. I have also experienced a lot of things in my own trading, and that's all. So I hope you enjoy the experience, and look forward to hear from you. Bye now.